Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Discover for online statements setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Discover for online statements setup, start by navigating to the Discover website. Look for the register button, typically located on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the register button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name as they appear on your Discover card. Next, input your social security number for verification purposes. After that, enter your Discover card number. Ensure that you double-check the card number for accuracy. Continue by entering the expiration date of your card. Next, provide your zip code associated with your billing address. Once all required fields are completed, click on the Continue button. You may be asked to create a username and password for your online account. Choose a username that is unique and easy for you to remember. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After setting your credentials, click Submit. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. Next, log into your new account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Preferences section. Look for the option related to online statements. Select the option to enroll in online statements to opt out of paper statements. Follow the prompts to confirm your preference for electronic delivery. Finally, review and save your settings to complete the setup. You are now registered with Discover for online statements. Enjoy the convenience of accessing your statements digitally from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.